Hi friends, this is Subrat here and this is the 101 video on my Python series, and in this video we are going to discuss about how to write a file. That means how we can write something inside a file. So let's start. So we have already seen how to write inside the file by using the write method. So this video is dedicated towards that. So let us see some characteristics points about the write method. So in order to write into a file in Python, we need to open it in write, append or exclusive creation mode. That means we can use WA and X mode for writing inside the file. So we need to be careful with the W mode as it will overwrite into the file if it already exists. So one of the point while opening the file in write mode, you need to keep in mind that W mode will overwrite the file if it has already contained some element or some contents inside it. All previous data are erased. If you are opening in W mode, all previous data will be erased or truncated. If you want to append it, you can use the A mode. If you want for exclusive creation, then you can use the X mode. I have already discussed what is append mode and what is exclusive creation mode. So writing a string or sequence of byte is done using write method. So if you want to write something inside the file, then you can use the write method to do that. So this method returns the number of characters written to the file. So the return types of the write method is the integer, which is the number of characters written inside the file. So if you want to store the return type, you can create a variable and you can check the return value. So let us see how we can write a file by using the write method. So let's start here. Suppose I have already a file with me, gurukulwisdom.txt. So one of the point if in W mode is that if the file doesn't exist, then it will create a new file. So I'll be using my with statement to do all the operation, as with statement is better as compared to the try and finally block. So I can use with open. I need to pass the full path of the file. So if you are passing full path here, and I have to use a file object. So I have created a file variable which will store the file object returned by the open statement. So I have to open it in write mode, or W plus also you can do. W plus signifying you are opening it in write and read mode also. So for that I can use the file object dot write, and whatever the text you want to write you can mention here. Suppose I want to write this: it is always seems impossible until it's done. This quote is by Nelson Mandela. So let's write that inside our Gurukul wisdom. So if you want to store what is the return type of it, you can check. You have created a variable val and you can store inside it. Okay, I have written the text inside the file. Let us print how many text I have written inside the file by using val. So to read the file, I have to use the file dot read method. You can print data here. So here you can see it is giving me 43, and after reading we are not getting any value over here. So let's comment this one first. File dot read. Okay, it's not reading the value. We are getting 43 here. Let us check where is my cursor is present. Then I can do tell method to tell the cursor position. So let's print the cursor position here. The cursor position is at the end of the line. For that reason we need to do file dot seek we need to bring it to first position. Then you can read the file by using the print statement. So let's read again. Suppose I am doing file dot read, indentation you have to give correctly, then it is not giving me anything here. So let's start. So here if you are printing the file, it is not giving anything, because if you check the cursor position now, then you will find out that, suppose let's see the cursor position file dot tell, and we can check the cursor position by printing here print. So it will be at 43 position. So here you can see the cursor position is at the end of the file. So we need to bring the cursor position to the beginning position. So I can use file dot seek and I can bring it to 0th position. Then you can read the data from the file. So by using the read method, you can read the data from the file. So in this way you can use the write method to write some text or value inside a file. So friends, this is all about the write method. I hope this concept is clear. If you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can leave a comment under my video. Thank you.